loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you all a super huge haul, and the twist over here is every product is under 100 rupees, and the best part is I have tested out all the products. So the best part is I can give you some mini reviews about the product as well. So I hope you are as excited as I am for this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Alright, so I'm going to show you the products in no such particular order. जो भी product मेरे हाथ के सामने पहले आएगा, I'll just show it to you. So yes, so the first thing that I see in front of me is the shower gel. It is from Fiamma Devils. It's in the lemongrass flavor, and the best part is you get a loofah free with it. So yes, and it costed me for 55 rupees. जब मैंने इसको ख़रीदा था उस टाइम कोई ऑफ़र चल रहा था. However, the MRP is also under 100 rupees. It's for 90 rupees. You can travel easily with this product. It's not a flimsy packaging, so yeah, it locks pretty well. It has got small beads in it, so it also acts like a gentle exfoliator for your body as well. However, इसका जो और एक फ्लेवर था पर्पल कलर का, I don't remember the flavor. सो या पर्पल कलर का जो बॉटल था उसका स्मेल ज़्यादा अच्छा मुझे लगा. ये वाला इज़ फाइन. इट्स प्रिटी लाइक रिफ्रेशिंग. ऑल्सो वन थिंग, इफ़ यू आर समवन who loves their shower gels or body soaps to create a lot of lather, this does that. And it also, like it says over here, that it has got skin conditioners in it. Trust me you guys, after using this body wash, I don't think you would need to apply any other body lotion additionally. So yes, if you have normal skin or oily skin, you wouldn't need any extra body lotion with it. However, अगर आपका dry skin है, then I think you would probably need a body lotion. So yes, so for body lotion also I have an option for you, which is the गुड ओल्ड ट्रस्टेड वैसलीन बॉडी लोशन. ये वाला बड़ा वाला पैकेजिंग है. हाउएवर इसका छोटा पैकेजिंग भी आता है जो कॉस्ट करता है अराउंड 99 रुपीज़, एंड यू कैन चूज़ अकॉर्डिंग टू योर लाइकिंग. आई एक्चुअली पिक्ड द ग्रीन वन बिकॉज इट्स समर्स एंड इट has a very refreshing smell again. So also इसको लगाने के बाद ना, it gives a like a cooling sensation to your body, and which feels very refreshing during the summer months. So yes, it's not very sticky, so you can also use this during the monsoon season as well, because it's not gonna feel sticky on your body. So let's move on to another soap that I have, is the Trusted Pears soap. It costed me for around, I think, 50 rupees or something like that, and it's for 75 grams, so it's a big bar and I love it. और क्या ही बताऊँ, Pears is a very trusted brand. I pretty much think that most of you have used it. They have launched 2 other variants, like this green one and also the blue one. I have used that one as well. वो भी अच्छा है, so you can choose whatever you like. Let's move a little bit away from body care products and I'll show you some nail paints. So these are from Faces Canada and I have a bunch of these. यहाँ पे मैंने अभी 3 ही रखा है, बट मेरे पास और भी कबर्ड में रखा हुआ है. And these nail paints, oh my god, like these last on your nails for easily around 2 weeks. Trust me on that. हाँ, अगर आप थोड़ा काम वाम करते हो, like पानी का काम अगर आपको ज़्यादा करना पड़ता है, then I think it will last you for around 1 week. But 1-2 weeks मेरे nails पे तो ये आराम से रह जाता है. And the color variety that you get is awesome, because यहाँ पे ना इस स्पेशली द फेसेस कैनेडा स्प्लैश वाला जो एडिशन है, इसमें you get such good colors. You get muted colors, you get nude colors, you get bright popping colors, and you get reds and pinks and all of that stuff as well. So that's a huge variety of colors that you get. And these are actually, यहाँ पे मैंने थोड़ा सा चीटिंग किया है. इसका MRP 110 रुपीज़ है. However, मेरे पास इतने सारे इसके नेल पेंट्स हैं, मैंने कभी इसको MRP प्राइस में नहीं ख़रीदा है, बिकॉज ये वाला प्रोडक्ट ना हमेशा डिस्काउंट में रहता है. सो दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग. सो यू कैन जस्ट पिक एंड चूज़ वट एवर यू लाइक. Alright, now let's move on to a little bit of a different thing, which is shampoo. I picked up this shampoo from L'Oreal. It's their Extraordinary Clay shampoo, and I remember using this shampoo when I was in my school, and ये वाला बहुत अच्छा काम करता है, especially अगर you have like a very greasy scalp, you have a tendency of a greasy scalp and hair. This shampoo works really well. I have heard that a lot of people don't like using L'Oreal shampoos because उन्हें हेयर फॉल होने लगता है for some reason, but मुझे तो अच्छी तरह से ये सूट करता है. So if you're someone who get greasy scalp like me, you can just try this shampoo out. It works really well. However, I don't use कंडीशनर, सो आई कांट टेल यू दैट इसका कंडीशनर कैसा है, बट शैम्पू बहुत अच्छा है. ऑलराइट, सो अब शैम्पू की बात हो ही रही है तो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू सीरम दैट आई हैव फॉर यू गाइज. एंड before I talk about the serum, can we just appreciate how cute is the packaging of this serum? This is from Streaks and this is their walnut oil infused serum. This smells amazing and this costed me for around 55 rupees and the consistency that it has is super lightweight. Like Live On मैं जब लगाती हूँ ना, my hair gets very greasy and वो oily दिखने लगता है, but this serum is bang on. I love this serum. It smells super sweet. It has a very sweet smell to it and it does not make your hair like very greasy and does not weighs down your hair, if you know what I mean, right? So yeah, a lot of serums I have used, but मुझे एक ही problem होता है कि that weighs my hair down. I have straight hair, I have very fine hair, so I don't like using products that weighs my hair down. So yeah, this is something that I really like. Right, so the next product is something that reminds me of my college days, are these perfumes from Pocket Perfumes from Engage. I have two of these, the pink one and the blue one, Aqua Blue and Floral Fresh. If you're someone who likes fragrances that are a lot more on the cool side, like fresh, how do I explain it, like menthol kind of fragrances, then I think you're gonna love the blue one. It smells amazing, blue or sea green or whatever it is. And also if you're someone who loves floral fragrances, so you can try out the pink one. It smells amazing, like it has got like a floral fragrance, however it's not too sweet that it will give you like a headache. So it's a great, I remember carrying this perfume in my college bag and I used to love applying this perfume. Let's move on to the next one, that is this scrubbing soap from Wadi or Wadi, I don't know, Wadi Herbals. This is again in the flavor lemongrass. And I just realized something, most of my body care products are in green color. This is like a scrubbing soap. It's not something that you use every single day. It's just for, you know, weekly pamper kind of days. So इसके एक side में ये plain एकदम soap की तरह है and on the other side it has these exfoliating beads जहाँ पे but the only thing is ये use करते करते ना ये चला जाता है, like as you can see इतना ही रह गया है. But keeping aside the fact that ये वाला exfoliating portion पूरा use करते करते चला जाता है, this product is amazing. I did not expect it to work so great on my body. I have got a lot of ingrowns in my legs especially, and those were stubborn. I used a lot different scrubs but nothing worked for them. But ये वाला use करने के बाद ना मेरे पूरे ingrown hair ख़त्म ही हो गए हैं. However, I would suggest that don't use too frequently. ये वाला soap लगाने के बाद ना your skin might feel a little bit dry, so you might want to make sure that you moisturize your body really well after using the scrubbing soap. Just use it once a month or once a week or something like that and you'll be just good to go. Alright, so moving on to the next product, and this product is, I don't even remember how many like bottles of this product I have gone through. I'm talking about the Nivea deodorant roll-on perfume. Now this actually something that I use to prevent my body odor to come, and then on top of it I apply perfume, if that makes any sense. I have also noticed that whenever I apply this I sweat much less comparatively. So yes, I don't know about the whitening factor or anything. I don't know if it does whitens your underarms, but it works really well to, you know, like conceal that body odor. Oh, also let me just quickly mention that ये वाला bottle जो है, this is the smaller size of it. It also has got a bigger size. So you can just try out the smaller one. If it works for you, you can just go on and invest on the bigger size. Now moving on to something that I need it in my vanity no matter what, every single time. That is, I'm talking about the wheat wax strip. Now ye wala, again, this is the bigger size of it. It has also got smaller sizes. Ye wala 20 pieces wala hai, but it has also got 4 pieces and also 8 pieces. So both of those sizes come under 100 rupees, and you can just purchase those small sizes. If you haven't tried wheat wax strip ever, you can just try out the smaller sizes. If it works for you, you can again invest in the bigger size. So you get it in these kind of strips if you have never seen it. So iske under the pink thing that you see, these are the wax gel. You have to warm the strip like this and then just peel it off from here. I'm not going to peel it right now because I don't want to waste a strip right now. So yes, apart from this, you also get a wet wipe kind of a thingy जिसमें oil दिया हुआ रहता है. So the basic purpose of that tissue is, whenever you wax ना, sometimes कहीं कहीं पे wax रह जाता है. So the basic purpose of that tissue is to remove the wax. उसमें oil लगा हुआ रहता है, so it easily wipes away the wax that was there on your skin. So also you get other variants as well, like this one is for normal skin. You also get a sensitive skin one, oily skin, and also a dry skin one. So you can choose according to your body type, skin type. Alright, so we are almost done. I only have few of products left. So now moving on to a sheet mask that I got is these ones from Pond's. Normally sheet mask रिटेल फॉर 100 रुपीज़, मतलब पक्का एकदम राउंड फिगर 100 रुपीज़ का होता है, बट दीज आर फॉर 75 रुपीज़. सो दैट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग. However, this is the only thing that I haven't tried yet, so I am going to update you guys on my Instagram. So if you want to know about these, make sure that you follow me on Instagram. Shameless plugin. Anyways, so I feel like that the sheet is a little bit thick comparative to other sheet masks. So yeah, that will be very interesting to see how this is. Now the orange one is in the tomato, vitamin A and tomato extract. This is for firm and youthful skin, and also the other one is in vitamin E and avocado extract for soft and supple skin. So these are the two ones that I have got. This one is for nourishing and this one is for plumping. एक मेरे लिए है, एक मम्मा के लिए है. So yes. Moving on to the next product, and that is nail paint again. This is from Miniso, and oh my god, you guys, I did not expect this nail paint to work this well. Like, this nail paint does not chip. It remains on your nails for a really long time, at least for 1-1.5 week तो रह ही जाता है. This one is in the shade olive green and it retails for 90 rupees if I haven't mentioned it already. So yeah, and it has got a lot of shade options as well, so I would highly recommend these nail paints to you guys. Now moving on to the next product, and that is kohl kajals. Now I have got 2 kohl kajals and both of them are from different brands. One is from Miss Claire and the other one is from Swiss Beauty. This one is the Miss Claire one. It's in the green shade that I used in my previous video. Now the thing is, this one is pretty, like, as you can see, this one is pretty pigmented as for the price that you're paying, because you really can't expect enough for the price that you have paid. So yes, and this one is in a wooden kind of a pencil, so you have to sharpen it and then use it, which is a bummer because I don't like pencils that are in a pencil form. I mean kohl kajals that are in a pencil form, because that way sharpening करने के समय में बहुत ज़्यादा product wastage होता है, which I don't like. So yeah. Anyways, so this one is pretty good. Moving on to the next one, and that is from Swiss Beauty. It's their glimmer liner for eyes. It's in the shade cobalt, and let me tell you something, I am in love with this. This one is so buttery. Like, the Miss Claire one is a little bit waxy, like it's not too buttery. You have to work in with the product really well. I should mention something, that the blue one that you see, it has got really fine sparkles in it. Like the green one from the Miss Claire, it's completely matte. However, as the name suggests, it's a glimmer liner, so it has got some sheen. These are not chunky glitters, like it would just shine into your face. These are very fine glitters. However, the catch over here is Miss Claire का price ज़्यादा था and the Swiss Beauty one costed way cheaper than this one, but I like the Swiss Beauty one much more, so I would highly recommend you guys to get your hands on the Miss Swiss Beauty one. Alright, now moving on to the last one, and let me tell you, I have been saving the best for the last. I'm talking about the Plum Illuminance Cleansing Balm. This one is the mini version. ये एकदम छोटू सा packaging है. It's really cute and very travel friendly. I have been using this product for almost a month now and I haven't been able to finish this. Like a little goes a long way. It just melts away your makeup like no one's business. इससे वाटरप्रूफ मस्कारा भी बहुत ईजिली रिमूव हो जाते हैं एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ दिस वन इमल्सीफाइज रियली वेल. 10 ग्राम्स अगर एक महीने से ऊपर चल रहा है तो 90 या 100 ग्राम्स का प्रोडक्ट तो और भी ज़्यादा दिन चलेगा. सो that's a investment, I would say. That was it for today's video. That was a huge haul and my first ever haul. Make sure to check the description box because there I will leave all the links of the products. If you want, you can just purchase it from there. It will be much more easier for you. So yes, and yes, I hope you like it. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Glimmer liner sticks for eyes. About the vat and I'm not able to open it. What is wrong with you? Can we just do that one more last time, please?